On this episode of Stir of the Outdoors, we're going to go horseradish hunting. We just had a heavy snowfall, but the snow finally melted, so we're actually able to go find this horseradish, and it's probably our last opportunity before we get buried in 4 feet of snow. So let's get going.
Follow me.
So when you're looking for horseradish, a few things you can do. One, you can ask an old timer where they get it from, and that's what I did. I had an old timer approach me and tell me there was horseradish near my property from when he was younger. Alright, so there's a couple places you can find horseradish. One is your grocery store, and sometimes it's in the ground. I asked a local guy how to find this horseradish, and he showed me what to look for. In the fall, this is what you're going to be looking for right here. It looks a little bit like Swiss chard, but a narrower stalk. And in the spring, which I'll show you later, it looks a little bit like a Venus flytrap coming out of the ground, and sometimes it'll actually push up through the snow. So Mason, come over here and get a video of what we're looking at here closer. We'll do a close-up of this and the stalk. Okay, all right, back up. All right, so this is the plot that we picked earlier today, or dug up. We used a spade, which is a fork, or a large fork with a lot of knives on it, rather than a shovel. Allows you to dig around the dirt and loosen it up a lot. So, as you can see, if you saw what we showed earlier, there's a lot of horseradish. Stay with me. All right, so there's a lot of horseradish still in the ground here. We're gonna leave a lot. We got a 5-gallon bucket full of this in about an hour of stuff. So we replanted a lot, but this horseradish plot, according to the old timer, used to go all the way to the road, around this old house, and all the way down to here. And right now there's only a little bit left because it got overgrown with what we like to call cowweed, which is a really thick stalked brittle plant. So here we've skipped a step. This was completely loaded with dirt. You wouldn't have believed how much dirt was on this, but we rinsed it down, and the next step will be to peel it. Alright, so now we're ready to prepare the horseradish. You should wear gloves, from what I've read, because this stuff can be quite potent. Good job, buddy. You should wear gloves because this stuff can possibly burn your hands, and it will burn your eyes as you're cleaning it. So starting to smell it pretty good now. So peeled quite a few, just a couple pieces. Some horseradish will be a lot thicker than others. This is a decent root. From what I've read, the narrower shoots are actually going to be hotter. So I'm pretty excited to try this horseradish because most of what I have are very narrow shoots. So looking forward to the bounty.
Cutting this. Cutting all this. Two. Wait, Dad, can I do it too? I do it with you. Can I do it with you? Dad, can I do it with you? Dad, can I do it with you? Dad, can I do it? Dad, can I do it with you?
Smell it.
Good.
Alright.
It's more like vinegar. Dad, can I do it? No. Dad can. Dad, can I do it this too? And burn your hands. Might be some gloves. Ah, it's kind of backwards. you playing a game or something?
All right, here's our finished product after it's been peeled. Stuff like this that's you pull up that's got extra roots, you can actually put this back in the ground and grow more. So we'll put that one back out. I already planted somewhere on our property. We're going to see how much we actually yielded. As you can see, it looks like a lot less, but the stalks were quite long, so it took up a lot of space. Starting at 0.38 pounds. 193, so we're about a pound and a half ish. So I'm going to check out a recipe, and we're going to puree this in the food processor over here. All right.
Every day, yes, there's one for each of you each day. One. Mason?
All right. Then we're going to add a little sugar, apple cider vinegar, and salt.
Dad, it's stuck to the bottom.
All right, and we're ready to grind. I think. Nope, not quite ready yet. Plug it in. Always smart to keep it unplugged when you're putting the blade on. Need to push it.
Dad, can I put some in?
Sure, go ahead, buddy.
Buddy.
Parker washed his hands twice, so he's all sanitary. Jonah, I think he picked his nose, but boogers won't hurt it. Hurry up, man! Run out of film.